Free Jalapenos News presents Journey to Everest Base Camp. What do you think these jabronis got the budget to go all the way to the top? Adventurers will stumble and fumble their way to the mountain. But the real question is, what are they pointing at? Who cares? They're on the way. Godspeed to our adventurers, and we'll see you soon.
Arrived, and that was the scariest arrival of my life. Whoop.
Free Jalapenos.
Alright, so we're here right before the Everest trek. I'm out of focus.
Oh, you rookie.
Yeah, I am a rookie. Hey, we're here before the Everest trek, and we just went and got a bunch of gear, so I got sweats, shirts, travel shirts, roll of toilet paper. We're gonna have 5 socks all together. These mittens. And we've got undershirt, underwear, a minus 20 degree jacket, a minus 20 degree Celsius sleeping bag.
So, whole bunch of snacks. Map, in case we get lost, because we're doing this by ourselves, with no guide and no porter. Then we've got baby wipes, earplugs, vitamins, medications, more medications. Now, down to our packing. I haven't actually finished, but this is my rough packing schedule. I usually pack for about 3 hours because I have to go through a rough one, and then I have to edit the rough one, and then I have to go into the final copy, and then I have to render that shit out and pack
So you know what? We're just gonna cut here to the final one.
We're going to Everest Base Camp. We're gonna catch our flight now from Kathmandu to Lukla. This is gonna be really exciting. Finally got our tickets to Lukla, and we are waiting to board our flight.
So we're delayed again. We thought that we were already delayed. We made it into this part of the airport at 8:30, and now it's 10:50, and we still don't know when we're getting on this plane.
We're finally on the bus. It's 11:17, and we're going onto our flight. We're making it. We're here. Due to air traffic, we have to wait here for another 10 to 15 minutes. Might be half an hour, maybe 2 hours, who knows. This is where the adventure begins. It's 12 o'clock and we're in a tiny little aeroplane and we're going to Lukla, and it's going to take us 30 minutes.
This is why you don't need your TIMS permit to get here, because you hit this checkpoint and you have to pay 2,000 rupees here. And then one more time, 3,000 rupees at Sagarmatha National Park. Zoe, check out entrance fee. Thank you. This is the beginning. To Phakding. This is day 1 of the EBC trek. You start this trek, and it really is a fairly easy trek.
It was a good first day. 3 hours, like fairly average. It was like pretty flat and downhill, and then there was like bits of uphill where we're like,
I think that we just feel really exhausted as well because we woke up so early for the flight
and we
and
didn't
got
eat.
delayed.
We didn't eat all day
didn't
until
really
we got
eat.
here.
So yeah, we're staying at Buddha Lodge now, and we're gonna get an early start to Namche Bazaar tomorrow.
Good night.